Before any repairs, always unplug your appliance from the mains. If your dishwasher is an integrated model, pause the video and follow these steps to gain access. Begin by pulling out the upper basket. It can also be fully removed if you'd find it easier. If your machine has the Bosch Extra Clean Zone nozzles, these will need to be removed. Unclip and push towards you to remove. The main upper water spray runs from the back to the middle. To remove, simply unclip it from the upper basket. Unpackage your new upper spray arm. It works by water being forced through the spray arm, the arm rotating, and then distributing water from the holes. If you have the Extra Clean Zone system, this attaches like so. With your new upper spray arm, clip the rear section to the upper basket, but make sure the two hooks towards the end are on either side of the bar running through the middle. With your Extra Clean Zone nozzles, attach the piece to the new upper spray arm and click into place. Spin the spray arm to make sure it's rotating correctly. And that's it, your new dishwasher top water spray is all set to go.